I'm back with another video, and in this video, based on the requests that I've been getting, and I'm going to show you guys from step by step how to download Windows after you're doing your upgrade for your laptops, changing hard drives, and if you want to install fresh install of Windows 10, how you can proceed with that, and what are the step-by-step guides for the process. So let's get into it and let's get started. First thing first, you want to grab yourself a USB stick, at least 16 gig or 32 gig if you want to, whichever you want. I'll leave link in the description for few that I use. So what you want to do, you want to grab your USB stick and plug into your computer. In this case, on my computer, I have a 32 gig Samsung drive here. So doesn't matter what format you have it. Pretty much right now I have formatted as a FAT32 by default. So it doesn't matter what name label you put. Everything's going to be erased inside the memory. So keep that in mind. So what you want to do is step one, go to the internet, go to a Google website and type Windows 10 download. And the next step is very important. I am located in Mexico right now, so pretty much it's gonna tell you in Spanish. But look, here is the English version right here. Make sure your link, it always says Microsoft, www.microsoft.com, and is not any other shady websites. So do not go to any other links. Make sure your link has to start with www.microsoft.com. So you want to go to the where it says download Windows 10 disk image ISO file. So click that one, and it's going to take you to the website. So, and again, Windows detects that I'm in Mexico, so it changes to Spanish. So let's change this one to EN English. So you don't have to do this because you're going to come straight to here. No thanks. So now here you have two options. It says update. You don't want to do the update one. You want to download the create Windows 10 installation media. So you want to download this tool. So click download and save an 18 meg file. So save that in your download folder. So once it's finished, we're going to go ahead and open this file. You can open it right here, or you can just go to your download folder. Explorer, download folder, and it should be right over here. Now you want to double click yes. And now it's gonna say, it's gonna start detecting your Windows that you have, all the what version you have. So if you have a 32 version installed, but you installed a more RAM, then you want to change it to 64-bit version. So here I'm gonna show you guys step by step. So pretty much go ahead and read all the terms and click accept. I just read really fast. And once you go to the next step, in the next step, here is going to give you two options. What do you want it to do? You want to upgrade this PC now, or you want to create a installation media? So you want to click on a create an installation media or DVD ISO. So just click this one and click next. Now it detects that you have this Windows and what architecture you have. So if you want to install a 64-bit version because you upgraded your RAM, so click this, remove this one and click on 64-bit. Or you can put both, but I would suggest go with a 64-bit. And Windows 10, and if you want to change your language, change it right now and click next. And it says next one is where you want to save it. You want to create directly a USB stick, at least 8 gig, or you want to save the image into your hard drive so you can burn it later on as many times you want. But we don't need to do that. We're just going to burn it straight to a USB flash drive. So click next, and it detects my 32 gig Samsung drive. So click on that and click next. Now what it's going to do is just going to format the USB drive, and it's going to download the ISO file. Is about 5 to 6 gig, and it's going to burn automatically inside the USB stick. So we're just going to let this one run. It's just going to say processing, downloading, and then it's going to burn, and then it should give us to finished or close option. So I'm just going to fast forward this part or let it run. and I'll be back once I get the next message. All right, so after about 30 minutes later, depending on your internet, it's gonna download, it's gonna burn, it's gonna tell you that your USB flash drive is ready. So it's gonna tell you where it was, and you're just gonna click finished. And once it's finished, it closes up automatically. Now you can delete this file if you want to, or keep it for a future use. All right. Now, if you go to my computer, you're gonna see the name already changed. Don't change the name, leave it the way it is. And when you open it, you're gonna see the system files, everything for Windows 10 installation. You can either install, opening the setup from here and do your installation, or just plug it to you. The correct way would be plug it inside your computer and restart, go to the boot menu and boot it directly from this USB drive. And I'll make a video how to boot up from this USB drive in my next video. And again, thanks for watching, guys. If you have any question or request, leave them in the comment area and I'll try to answer them as soon as I can. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.